We got some beautiful weather out here today. We're checking out this guy. It's a pile of dirt. And I'm gonna explain today how this could help you get back your mental health and everything else. Bro, I'm so bad at cameras I turned off the video. We got it back in my hands. Actually, I'm gonna check one more time. Yeah, it's in focus. All right, we got it in focus and we're heading out. You guys missed the cats. There's some cats running over here. But we're going out to that chair on the hill because today we're talking about gardening and self-improvement. Now, these two go in hand because both are about growing slowly, and definitely a lot of pain, toil, and everything else that goes along with it. No one said it was going to be easy, but here we go. I'm just going to cut it and walk up to that chair over there. Can't see crap. There you go, shakiest ass video or ever. There we go, that chair, bro. This camera may blow off there at any second, so I have no expectations. Now, how gardening can help you on your self-improvement journey is a very big question, but I'm here to help you answer that. Mental health, nature in general, is one of the greatest healers of mankind. Looking out, being grateful that this entire system provides for you and me is just one part of earning that mental health from gardening. It brings awareness. You can't be thinking about other things when you're literally digging your fingernails into the soil of the earth and planting something that you know will go beyond yourself, that will continue even if you do not. And it just helps you slow down, appreciate, gratitude, back to that. But slowing down is something we don't do in modern culture at all. We've just normalized speeding through life as fast as you can, action movies, action. But I say, we need to slow down, make a little bit, and appreciate the things that we've already been given instead of searching for those we do not have. On your self-improvement journey, gardening is a discipline. Discipline is one of the keys to self-improvement. It'll help you get anywhere. If you practice anything, I just heard this, anything for 18 minutes a day for a whole year, it's 100 hours. 100 hours on anything, 18 minutes a day.
18 minutes a day, you will be better than 95% of the world's population in that discipline.
And gardening is all about discipline. It may seem easy, but if you let it go for 2 weeks, I'm gonna give you 2 weeks in your garden, entire thing ruined, dead, full of weeds, unwatered, shriveling, dying. And that's kind of how life is. If you don't maintain, weeds will grow up in what you already have and will taint everything you have and take it away somehow or another, and you need to squash out those weeds continually to be able to go forward. The last thing gardening can do for you is the rewards. Everyone wants a little reward in their life, and gardening has rewarded me over and over again, man. I just love being able to say that I garden, have that underneath my belt, plant experience. In another video I'm going to go over is how I use that plant experience to grow my very first business. Now, it's not the best, but it's sure something. And the rewards of gardening start just with the physical rewards, but the sense of accomplishment. If you stick to that discipline, that you stuck with something for 3 to 4 months throughout the summer, and something came of it, that is worth everything. You'll be like, next time you're trying anything that may take 3 months, a new sport, a new activity, a new learning concept, you will know, I've already gardened. I've done something so hard as gardening for 4 months that required constant attention to something else, that when it's for you, you'll have no trouble keeping that consistency and that discipline. And that's just a great thing to be out here in nature right now, man. I'm just gonna pick you guys up, focus in on my face, because this is the outro right here, bro. I absolutely love it out here. It's my favorite chair. Say hi, chair. Here, I'm gonna, oh! This buddy's a goat. Anyhow, get some sunset outro, man. If you saw that, you a real G. Thumbs up, bro.